We've all heard and used the word factors so much, haven't we? Factors on which the weather depends, factors that determine the victory of a team in a cricket match, and factors that determine the total expenses of a vacation, like the cost of tickets, the climate, and the number of people, to name a few. So let's take a look at the factors we should consider while investing money in a bank. In order to calculate the returns we'll earn from investing money in a certain bank, we need to know the rate of interest the bank is offering and let the bank know of the time period and the amount of money we want to invest. All these factors combined in mathematical terms and multiplied give us the amount of interest the bank will pay. If any of these factors change, the interest we'll earn from the investment will also change. Similarly, even the climate of a place depends on a number of factors, like its distance from the sea, its altitude from sea level, ocean currents, and how close or far from the equator this place is located. When these factors change, the climate also changes. Hence, these are the factors on which the climate of a place depends. So, now we know that when combined, factors determine outcomes. If we were to look at numbers in a similar way, a certain combination, technically the product, determines a number. Take the numbers 3 and 4 for example. When we multiply these numbers, the outcome or the product is 12. But if we change either of these numbers, the outcome will change. For example, if we replace 3 with 7, 7 multiplied by 4 is 28, which is different from 12. Similarly, if we replace 4 in the above expression with 5, we get 3 times 5, which is 15, which is also different from 12. When we closely observe the family of numbers, we see that sometimes different factors give the same product. For example, 4 times 9 is 36, but 3 times 12 is also 36. Similarly, 6 and 6, 2 and 18, and 2, 2, 3 and 3, when multiplied, give the same number, that is 36. Hence, we can safely look at all numbers as either factors of some other numbers or as products of some other factors. And this applies to algebraic expressions too. An algebraic expression is a generalized representation of a family of numbers. Think about it. When we substitute the variables in an expression with numbers, the result is also a number. And that is what helps when we look at an algebraic expression as a product of factors. In this case, the factors can either be algebraic expressions or numbers. An algebraic expression Px can either be written as a product of Gx and Rx, or it cannot be factorized further, which is when we write it as Px itself. And that Px can be a factor of a different expression Sx. In a nutshell, algebraic expressions and numbers have factors that determine their value just like certain other factors determine certain other outcomes, like the interest earned on an investment or the climate of a place. The method by which we find these factors is called factorization. To factorize a number, we use the prime factorization method, and to factorize an algebraic expression, we use techniques like splitting the middle term and finding common terms.